Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia merilis tentang kemajuan operasi militer khusus di Ukraina pada 25 Oktober 2022 kemarin. Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia masih melanjutkan operasi militer khusus. Di arah Kupiansk, kelompok taktis Batalion Ukraina menyerang posisi pasukan Rusia di front sempit menuju Kusemovka, Republik Rakyat Luhansk. Unit angkatan bersenjata Ukraina telah dinetralkan oleh tembakan artileri Rusia yang membuat musuh kembali ke posisi awal, klaim militer Rusia. Juga disebutkan lebih dari 30 personel Ukraina, 1 tank, 3 kendaraan tempur lapis baja, dan 2 pickup telah dieliminasi. Di arah Krasny Liman, pasukan Rusia telah melenyapkan lebih dari 120 personel Ukraina, 3 tank, 2 kendaraan tempur infanteri, 1 pengangkut personel lapis baja, 3 pickup, dan 1 kendaraan bermotor. Dalam arah Nikolaev, Krivoyorok, 2 kelompok taktis kompi Ukraina tidak berhasil menyerang posisi pasukan Rusia menuju Ischenka dan Bruskinskoye, wilayah Kherson. Semua serangan telah ditolak, hingga 130 personel Ukraina, 3 tank, 9 kendaraan tempur lapis baja, dan 11 kendaraan bermotor telah dieliminasi.
Units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 182 areas. 2 Ukrainian armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Ugledar in Donetsk People's Republic and Zeleny Gai in Nikolaev region. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Kaluga in Nikolaev region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 13 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Oborotnovka, Kalinovka, Vladimirovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Kolodeznoye in Kharkov region, Sadok, Alexandrovka, Krynichanka, Kucherskoye in Kherson region, and Energodar in Zaporozhye region. Moreover, 7 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Smerch MRLS have been shot down near Klapaya, Otrada Kamenka, Vesoloye in Kherson region, Kolomychiha in Lugansk People's Republic, as well as 3 US-manufactured HARM anti-radar missiles near Petrovka in Lugansk People's Republic and Antonovka in Kherson region. In total, 326 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,339 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 6,046 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 874 fighting vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,525 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,758 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.